video, we're going to show you how to install these Can-Am hubcap covers. And I know a lot of people have made their own, which are awesome, and they've used very inexpensively bought sink stoppers and put them in there. I love it. They painted it, they put their logos on it, they put their name on it, bike name. I think it's awesome. I decided to go with the one that Can-Am has. I've seen a lot of people do it, but I haven't seen anyone actually show how easy it is to install it. So that's what I'm going to do. And then also, this is a special thanks to the Grumpy Ryker rider, and I'll put his link to his video. He showed me how to cover up the little holes that you have here if you don't have passenger pegs. If you don't have a second seat, it leaves your bike exposed with these two big silver holes that look like it's not finished. So I got online thanks to him and I ordered these, and I'm going to show you how to put those on. So a special thank you to the Grumpy Ryker rider for showing me how easy it is to do that. So let me show you what I'm working with, and then I'll show you how easy it is to install it. So first of all, we're going to do this one right here, which is very easy. So you're going to be, I'm covering up this hole right here, and also I already put one of these in, but there's two metal holes here for where the screws go. So I'm taking those and I'm covering those up as well. So it's going to be a nice completed look. And then we're going to come around here, and we're going to pop in a cover for this. And as many of you might know, I took care of the rust early on. I have a video about that. I'll put the link on there. I scrubbed it, I took off all the rust, and it's actually stayed really, really nice. And then I painted it and to keep the rust from coming back. So that video is available for you as well, and I'll put the link to that for you. But I'm going to cover it up because I don't necessarily need to see this rubber gasket on here as well. So let's get started. Okay, this is too easy. It just goes right on here, right like that. And then the screw goes right in here. Couldn't it be any easier to do? And I'm using a 5/32, I don't know if that'll focus in on you, to just to tighten this up. And when you buy the kit, it comes with two of everything. So you have, it does a hole on the other side too. So you have one of these on both sides. And then, as I told you, I already put this in. They give you one of these little screws, they're plastic, just to cover up this piece. And that's super easy to do as well. It really just finishes the bike. And you just screw that on. Done. Look how nice that looks compared to not having it. And then this goes on just as easy. I'll show you. So you have these little push areas here. You can see where that kind of goes in there. That's going to go in these holes right here. It's made to fit absolutely perfectly, and you want to put it in until you hear a snap. So I'm going to put in this side first. It's a little hard to do with one hand. Unless you hear the snap, yeah, there you go. Yeah, and then you want to make sure, kind of try to twist it and make sure it's on nice and tight. Look how easy that is. Look how nice. Ooh, that's a cool shot. And that's how easy it is. It's these little things that make the bike look really good. All the little fit and finishes. Hey guys, thanks for watching another video of Ryker Rides. If you guys have any suggestions about something that you'd like to see me do in one of my videos, whether you want more of vlogs and ride outs around South Florida, let me know. If you want me to do more live chats, let me know. Just whatever you guys want, I'm here for you. So let me know what you guys are looking to see. And as my channel develops, it's all about making sure you guys are taken care of as well. So let me know what works for you. Comment below, and thank you again from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.